Today's video is about a seed called Bagaruwa seed or Acacia seed. And if you are a pregnant woman, please, this video is not for you. To be honest with you, if you are pregnant, do not play with this seed. But if you are a lactating mother, you can also use it as well. This seed is very medicinal, very medicinal, and a lot of people are just looking down upon this seed, especially in this community or in West Africa or Ghana. Here is a seed that we don't play with. It's very medicinal and it has properties, a good properties that can heal. One, let's see the health benefit of this seed. One is it strengthens the immunity or the immune system. Second benefit of this seed or Bagaruwa seed is it prevents blood loss. So if you are a person or such person who always complaining about blood loss, please soak this seed or heat a water and pour on it for some minutes or 35 minutes or 30 minutes. You strain it and you drink it. It's very good. On this platform, we are sharing or we are preaching about herbs, the medicinal properties of herbs or the importance of herbs. So if you are coming across this platform, please kindly to subscribe, share, and comment according to the video. Third health benefit of Bagaruwa seed is rich in fiber. So if you are a person or someone who always complaining of constipation, please practice this. Try to drink this Bagaruwa seed tea or the water of it, and you are not going to complain about constipation at all. The fourth point of Bagaruwa seed or the health benefit is healthy teeth and gum prevention, or if you have issues with your teeth or your gum, please do not play with this. Use it and you will come with a good testimony. You come out with a good testimony. And the fourth of health benefit of this seed, it calms down the throat pain. If you are a person who always complaining about throat pains, please, if you can't swallow, you can't chew, try to manage to drink the water of this Bagaruwa seed and you are not going to complain again. This is home remedy. If you are a scientific or if you are a scientific person, please, you can bypass this video. This is home remedy used for managing health issues. The sixth point or the sixth part of health benefit of Bagaruwa seed is diabetes treatment. So if you are a person who have issues with diabetes, please do not bypass this video. Look for Bagaruwa seed, soak it or boil it, strain it and start drinking it morning, afternoon, evening, and you will see you come out with a good testimony. This is home remedy. On this platform, we are preaching about herbs, the benefit of herbs. And the last part of this Bagaruwa seed is it reduces fat. It reduces fat. So if you are trying to lose weight, or if you are trying to cut down the fat level in your system, practice this Bagaruwa seed. Drink it as your regular normal tea, and you come out with a good testimony. But last but not the least, if you are suffering from prostate enlargement, this Bagaruwa seed has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce the prostate enlargement or the issues of prostate. The prostate that a lot of men are complaining are having issues of that. So if you are a man and you are noticing or you get to know that something like prostate is about to happening, or you are experiencing symptoms of prostate, please look for Bagaruwa seed. Soak it or boil it, start drinking it, and you are not going to experience any signs of prostate anymore. I hope this video will help. Please, if you are a pregnant woman, do not try to drink this. To be honest with you, on this platform, we teach what we know. We teach what we have experimented, not what someone has told us. No. So please, let's all make good use of the herbs and live healthy life. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. I'll see you in the next video.